Alrighty, 13 July 2024. Been working on my 1860 G3. I got my floor fit. I touched up the ribs because I scratched the paint a little bit, picking it up, putting it in there by myself. So it's ready for me to put it in there for the final time. And this is my floor. It's all custom fit. All the holes are drilled. I need a countersink, most of them. Some ones that are going to be under my console won't be countersunk. They'll just get a universal head rivet. So, yep, been working all day on this thing. Not all day, but about half a day. It's hot out here. Alrighty. It rained earlier, but it cleared up. Hot and humid. Welcome to North Carolina in the summertime in July. So tomorrow I'm gonna paint that floor, and I'll cut the metal for my console. Start tacking my console together. Peace out.